To go to jail then.
No,
That's your choice.
Man.
That's your choice.
Man, get away from me.
Okay, we can go to jail then. That's
What's
fine.
the charge?
Trespassing.
What? Where?
On the railroad.
There ain't no trespassing.
You're in the railroads area.
On July 23, 2023, police responded to a call from the neighborhood about a man trespassing and loitering around the railway track.
Came here last time, 1969. Badge number. They tried to call multiple crisis. They tried talking on the private. Oh, that's somebody else. Right on the pillar on the other side. See what the opening is? Uh-huh. You go that opening it to the wall. They're here. What you doing down here?
Minding my own business.
You can't be over here.
Yeah, I can.
No?
Yeah.
This is all private property.
It's the railroad's property.
Yeah, that's private.
Yeah, right.
That's private.
They got their own police, right? Private police, right?
Yeah, but you're also in the city of Cleveland, so that's why we're here.
Stop talking to me, man. You here to check me about Mighty Soul?
Okay, so here's the
Are
thing.
you here to check me about Mighty Soul? What's the thing?
Here's the thing. If you keep acting like this, then you're just gonna go down to jail.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
acting
trying
like
to
what?
sit. I'm trying to
Acting
sit
like
here and
what?
talk with you.
Acting like what?
Acting like this.
Like what? Talking to you?
No, yelling at me.
Don't come
being
down
brash,
here and
being
talk to me about
rude.
nothing, man.
Okay, so how about you come over here?
That stuff, man.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you this option one more time. You can come over here and talk with
I'm
us.
sitting right here talking to you, man.
You can come over
I'm
here
not
and talk
coming
with
over
us.
there.
So you want to go to jail then?
No,
That's your choice.
man.
That's your choice.
Man, get away from me.
Okay, we can go to jail then. That's
What's
fine.
the charge?
Trespassing.
What? Where?
On the railroad.
There ain't no trespassing.
You're in the railroads area.
Bitch, Joyce, I'm a Marine, I'm a Here we go, being fake. How long we gonna be fake?
You want to keep going this route? How'd you envision your day going? So come on out here. We can talk for a second.
I hear you just fine. I'm not dead.
Okay,
Hey,
then
you
come
know,
out here.
guy.
Then come out here because I can't see you behind these bushes.
Come in here.
No. You guys want to help us grab him out then? Okay. Yeah.
And threatening you to do something to you?
Yep. Okay. Let's see. These are all thorn bushes, though. Just. Okay, this is your last chance, okay?
I'm down here minding my own business, catching fish and shit. Mind your own business, man.
You want to get tased? Is that how you want to go?
Hey, for what?
for acting like this.
Acting like what, man?
Combative.
I'm out here fishing. My fucking business, man.
I don't know how you guys want to do this with the river being right here.
Go through the hole there. Don't be shy. Come on.
How much room's in there? Let me throw my gloves.
Watch your hands there. See your hands out there. Hey, get over here. Get over here now.
There's no trees over there.
Just get over here and quit acting that way. Walk over here.
I'm coming over here so you can see
Get
my
over
hands.
here.
I'm over here so you can see my hands, man.
I tell you
Now
what.
you want to go back there and hide so you can...
No, you're going to come over here by this hole. Now get over
You're
here.
fine.
Get over
I'm
here.
fishing, man. What?
You're not fishing now. Get in this hole
I'm
over
sitting
here.
here getting prepared to go fishing for the day, spend the day here.
You're going to come over here now
For what?
because you're under arrest. Now get
For
over
what?
here. Trespassing, disorderly
Where?
conduct. Now get over here. All right, so now you don't want to. Now you're going to add additional charges to what you have now. Is that what you're saying? Is that correct? I don't even know what your name is. What's your name? I grabbed before there's something.
Yeah. Come on over.
For what?
Come on.
I got my weed and my resin in my pocket. Don't try to act like it's heroin. I heard you guys talking that shit.
Oh, what you got in your
shut
pocket? Only 17 mail detained.
Strickler.
Can we get through over there?
Yeah, see if we can get some from maintenance, water. We can put this fire thing out.
I need my bag with my phones right there.
Later, that's not do right now. But when we get
I need
done.
my bag with my phones in it. Ain't no later about it. You here to take me about body soul? Then be a bitch and walk away from it. What? That black bag right there, my duffel bag. And I got resin and weed in my pocket. I got medical marijuana in my resin.
Okay, well, that's going to get thrown out when you go to county
Ah, shut up,
regardless.
bitch. That's all you want. I'm gonna pay you. Quit dropping my shit. My phones are in there, man. Okay, new bitch. Oh, you're a tough guy with the cuffs again. Here they go with the cuffs again. Bitch. Cuffs again. You're a die, mighty soul, you fuck. I need a fuck. Sick of you cowards with your gun in your badge. You're a fag. Now they're tightening up my cuffs again, bitch. Faggot ass. How far you had your asshole straight? Look at him swagging, switching like a. Anyhow, and fuck.
Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Gosh, spread, bitch. Why you want my balls to hang down there for your sniff? Fuck you looking at it, dyke.
Yo.
Shut up. You get fags are pull some bullshit like that, bitch. Yeah, he does. He knows right where he is. He's a resident, bitch. I'm gonna pull your panties up like that, bitch. Yeah, they're locking my cuffs up. There you go again on the other hand now, bitch. You're a coward. Fuck. Every one of you's going through the still squeezing them, you fucking cunt. I'm gonna smash you. Shut up. Go sit on the dick.